The female reproductive system is a fascinating and complex part of the body. It is a marvel of biological engineering intricately designed to perform some of the most vital functions in human life. It's designed to create life. From the moment of fertilization, a series of extraordinary events unfold, leading to the development of a new human being. This system is a delicate balance of organs, hormones, and cycles. Each component plays a crucial role, working in harmony to ensure the proper functioning of the reproductive process. Understanding how it all works can empower women to take control of their health. Knowledge is power, and by learning about the reproductive system, women can make informed decisions about their health and well-being. From puberty to menopause, this intricate system undergoes remarkable transformations. Each stage of life brings its own set of changes and challenges, all of which are governed by the reproductive system. It orchestrates the monthly rhythm of the menstrual cycle, preparing the body for the possibility of pregnancy. This cycle is a complex interplay of hormones and physiological changes that occur in a predictable pattern. And when pregnancy occurs, it nurtures and supports the developing fetus. The reproductive system provides a safe and nourishing environment for the fetus to grow and develop until birth. In this comprehensive guide, we'll journey through the female reproductive system. We'll delve into the anatomy, the hormonal regulation, and the various stages of the reproductive process. We'll explore its intricate parts, unravel the mysteries of its hormonal regulation, and gain a deeper understanding of its remarkable capabilities. Each section of this guide is designed to provide clear and detailed information. Whether you're simply curious or seeking to enhance your knowledge of your own body, this guide will provide you with a clear and informative overview of this incredible system. Join us as we embark on this educational journey, empowering you with the knowledge to understand and appreciate the wonders of the female reproductive system. The vulva is the external part of the female reproductive system. It encompasses all the visible external genitalia. It's the part you can see, and it serves as the gateway to the internal reproductive organs. The vulva includes several structures that play important roles in sexual function and reproduction. These structures work together to protect the internal organs and facilitate sexual activity. The labia majora are the outer lips of the vulva. They are the first line of defense against infections and injuries. They are fleshy folds of skin that surround and protect the other vulvar structures. The labia majora also contain sweat and sebaceous glands, which help to keep the area moist and protected. The labia minora are the inner lips. They are thinner and more delicate than the labia majora. They are located inside the labia majora and are more delicate and sensitive. The labia minora play a crucial role in sexual arousal as they swell with blood during sexual excitement. The clitoris is a small sensitive organ located at the top of the vulva. It is the primary source of female sexual pleasure. It's covered by a hood of skin, known as the clitoral hood, which protects it from friction and injury. The clitoris is rich in nerve endings and plays a central role in sexual pleasure. It has more nerve endings than any other part of the human body, making it extremely sensitive. The urethral opening is located below the clitoris. This is the external opening of the urethra through which urine is expelled from the body. It's where urine exits the body. The urethra is a short tube that connects the bladder to the external environment. The vaginal opening is located below the urethral opening. It serves as the entrance to the vagina, which is a muscular canal that leads to the internal reproductive organs. It's the entrance to the vagina. The vaginal opening is also where menstrual blood exits the body and where a baby is delivered during childbirth. The ovaries are two small almond-shaped organs located on either side of the uterus. They are the primary reproductive organs in women. The ovaries have two main functions: producing eggs and secreting hormones. Each ovary contains thousands of tiny sacs called follicles. Each follicle contains an immature egg. During ovulation, a mature egg is released from a follicle and travels down the fallopian tube. The ovaries also produce two important hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is responsible for the development of female sexual characteristics. These include breast development and the regulation of the menstrual cycle. Progesterone prepares the lining of the uterus for pregnancy. It also helps maintain a pregnancy if one occurs. The fallopian tubes are two thin tubes that connect the ovaries to the uterus. They serve as a pathway for eggs to travel from the ovaries to the uterus. The fallopian tubes are lined with tiny hair-like structures called cilia. The cilia help move the egg along the tube. Fertilization usually occurs in the fallopian tubes. If a sperm fertilizes the egg, the fertilized egg will then travel to the uterus to implant. Section 5. The uterus cradle of life. The uterus is a pear-shaped organ located in the pelvis. It has thick muscular walls. The uterus is where a fertilized egg implants and grows during pregnancy. The lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, thickens each month to prepare for a possible pregnancy. If pregnancy doesn't occur, the endometrium is shed during menstruation. The uterus is an amazing organ that can stretch to accommodate a growing fetus. It also contracts powerfully during labor to help push the baby out. Section 6. The cervix, guardian of the uterus. The cervix is the lower, narrow part of the uterus. It connects the uterus to the vagina. The cervix acts as a gateway between the uterus and the vagina. It produces mucus that changes throughout the menstrual cycle. The cervix helps prevent infection from entering the uterus. It also plays a crucial role during childbirth. During labor, the cervix dilates or opens to allow the baby to pass through the birth canal. Section 7. The vagina, pathway to life and pleasure. The vagina is a muscular, elastic tube that connects the cervix to the outside of the body. It serves as the birth canal during childbirth. The vagina is also the receptive organ for the penis during sexual intercourse. Its walls are lined with mucous membranes that help keep it lubricated. The vagina plays a role in both reproduction and sexual pleasure. It's a vital part of the female reproductive system. Section 8. The intricate dance of hormones. The female reproductive system is controlled by a complex interplay of hormones. These hormones are produced by the ovaries and the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is located in the brain. Follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, is produced by the pituitary gland. It stimulates the ovaries to produce follicles. Luteinizing hormone, or LH, is also produced by the pituitary gland. LH triggers ovulation. Estrogen is produced by the ovaries. It stimulates the growth of the uterine lining. Progesterone is also produced by the ovaries. It helps to maintain the uterine lining for pregnancy. Section 9. The menstrual cycle. A symphony of hormones. The menstrual cycle is a series of intricate changes that occur in a woman's body, meticulously orchestrated in preparation for the possibility of pregnancy. This cycle is a complex interplay of hormones and physiological processes. The average menstrual cycle is about 28 days long, but it can vary significantly from woman to woman, ranging anywhere from 21 to 35 days. Each woman's cycle is unique, influenced by various factors including health, lifestyle, and genetics. The cycle is divided into 4 distinct phases: the menstrual phase, the follicular phase, the ovulatory phase, and the luteal phase. Each phase plays a crucial role in the reproductive process, ensuring the body is prepared for potential conception. The menstrual phase is when the lining of the uterus, known as the endometrium, is shed. This shedding results in menstrual bleeding, which typically lasts between 3 to 7 days. The follicular phase is characterized by the maturation of ovarian follicles. During this phase, the body prepares an egg for release, stimulated by the hormone FSH, or follicle-stimulating hormone. The ovulatory phase is a pivotal moment in the cycle, occurring around the midpoint. This is when the mature egg is released from the ovary, a process known as ovulation, driven by a surge in luteinizing hormone, or LH. The luteal phase follows ovulation, during which the lining of the uterus thickens in preparation for a potential pregnancy. This phase is dominated by the hormone progesterone, which ensures the endometrium is ready to support a fertilized egg. Section 10. Pregnancy, a collaborative masterpiece. If a fertilized egg implants in the uterus, pregnancy occurs. The woman's body undergoes significant changes to support the developing fetus. The placenta develops to provide nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. The amniotic sac forms to protect the fetus and provide a cushioning environment. The woman's body produces hormones to maintain the pregnancy and prepare for childbirth. Pregnancy is a complex and transformative process. It highlights the incredible capabilities of the female reproductive system. Section 11. Understanding your body, empowering your health. The female reproductive system is a remarkable and intricate part of the body. Understanding how it functions is essential for women of all ages. By knowing the different parts, their roles, and how hormones orchestrate the reproductive processes, women can make informed decisions about their health. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider are crucial for maintaining reproductive health. Open communication with healthcare providers about any concerns or questions can help address potential issues early on and ensure overall well-being. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding